kombucha.
Ta-da! Bad joke.
Socializing.
Monologue with Candice.
Our first piece of fan mail.
Yo, what's up?
I'm gonna plant these.
What's that?
It's seeded paper from a jean company. So these were on the hang tags. It says that it could be carrots, chia, clover flower, or cloud flower.
So they don't tell you?
No.
So it's
So
a
it could be
surprise.
anything. But I don't know. I'm thinking of either planting it all in this white pot or separating it. Because this sheet's big. We're getting some much needed vitamin D also. Has anyone ever done this? I tried it last year, but I don't think I did it properly. Okay, so you're supposed to fill it with soil. You put it on top. This is all an experiment. And then you just put a thin layer of soil on top. Like that. And then, okay, let's do the other one.
Just like coffee.
Yeah, I'm doing a pour over.
What are you doing?
Making kombucha.
Kombucha. Kombucha. Kombucha.
Fermentation.
Should we just use our regular tea bags?
Oh, excuse me. What are you doing?
It's our kombucha jar.
So you're gonna add 3/4 cups of whatever sugar you want to use. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. So I just found this random magnetic adhesive sheet in our pantry. This is an old notebook, but I use it to write random lists now. And now, ta-da! Tea bags.
What?
I'm gonna add the water.
Yeah, let's do it, man.
Somebody's been eating the chocolate. I can't believe there's only one left. You're so bad. You're so bad. How many do you eat a day? This thing was full like before quarantine.
The math checks out.
I'm gonna eat the last.
I feel like that's a go-to. That's like the go-to.
Teacher gift.
Yeah, it's a teacher gift.
I know, I had boxes of it. Ah! There's like a sea salt one that's yummy.
Oh yeah, I forgot that. I mean, out of the basic ones.
The hazelnut one's good.
We'll see how fast this runs out.
Cracked in the middle. Yeah, it's something. I'll need your help too. Oh. Now we put the cloth on top.
The little shepherd boy cloth.
This is like our kombucha making cloth. Now we have our shepherd boy. He's gonna sit in the dark. Oh gosh, so heavy. Do you think this is dark enough? Now we wait for a week for part 2 of fermentation. Your dad got it.
Do you know why?
Because he's a hey.
No, it's because he's a dad.
Dad.
And now's a
Dad joke. Zing!
Morning. Haven't done this in a while. Used to wake up really early to coordinate long distance times with Candice. We're just up a little earlier than usual, just so we can hang out with our friends from Australia. This is kind of what it was like when Candice and I were dating, just because we did the long distance thing. So we're gonna go hang out. Hello. So earlier, just now, what happened was we hung out with our small group from church, and that was really cool because some of the older people in our group, they got to bring out some of the older artifacts of what they had hiding in their closet still, and we were trying to figure out just what those things were because I've never seen some of that stuff.
Okay, everyone bring your artifacts next time, okay?
I want to be able to touch and feel something really old.
I am!
It's a gloomy morning. Plant updates. So the celery is not looking so good.
It's dead.
I don't think it's dead.
It's dead.
If anyone has any tips,
Help.
please let us know. Green onion is great.
Thrive.
And the mint is growing. Wait, let's see. Oh, see, look, there's roots. So once it's rooted, then it can be planted into soil. Yay. Coffee's going, and we're making some hash today.
All right, let's season this. And try to flip it. Okay, not bad, not bad.
Wow. Starting to brown.
Because that's all you get?
I get half.
Nah. How much ketchup? You want ketchup all over yours?
No, I want ketchup on the side.
On the side. Wrong answer.
Why?
Is it Catan or Catan?
I don't know.
Pecan or pecan?
No, it's not.
Okay, I'll walk you through my fridge to see if there's anything that can inspire you. So I'm on the phone with my friend Nick. He is fatigued of cooking because he has no idea what to buy and what to cook. Let's see what we have in our fridge. You want to see how organized Candice has been? Look at this. Oh wait, hold on. You'll be really proud of me. I did this though. This vegetable box. Look, choysum and Napa Valley. No, cabbage. I keep saying Napa Valley. We also bought celery. It's gonna be for like a bolognese sauce or something. You know, brunch foods. A bag of mushrooms. Okay, tofu. Tofu for stews, like Korean stews.
We're gonna make some Korean food because we just got some of the Korean stuff.
Like kimchi, right?
No, we have the gochujang garden.
Yeah, like this. We have sasamjang. Sasamjang. We have, okay, trout for fish tonight. That's on sale. Bacon for breakfast, because that's always important. I use breakfast sausages for like those pastas, like a sausage pasta. And then we're making burgers with this Angus ground beef. I think that's it, man. And in our freezer, I bought some lean pork, like some ground pork for like a chili night, and then udon and those ramen stuff, and then lots of bread. Sourdough. Your turn. You have to tell me what you're eating, and then we can see what we're not eating, or we can steal the rest of these. Oh, baked chicken. I haven't made baked. We don't have
an oven.
Right. Are you? Wait. You guys are playing on opposite sides of your condo.
Yeah, because I don't want her to see what cards I have.
They're playing Settlers of Catan.
She's been winning a lot. It's weird.
You know how when we vlog, we always go on a mail run? Do you think we're gonna get mail this week?
Amy guessed yes. I'm gonna guess one parcel.
One parcel and 2 letters? That's your specific. That's
a lot. Wait, when was the last time you got one?
yesterday.
I take that back. 2 letters.
Woohoo! It's so cloudy today. There's nothing to capture. It's nice to be outside though. It's a monologue with Candice. Candice and the great Canadian outdoors.
Laughs at your own joke.
Take your guess now. 1 flyer, 1 letter. This is what we do now. It actually smells really fresh out though. It smells like spring. That hat has been there for like 2 weeks.
Where are you going?
Check on the seeds because I can ow my head. I see that it's over flooded with water.
I can still hear you. You didn't have to pop your head back over.
Well, I don't know.
Your squat technique is quite impressive.
Why, thank you. I'm sad.
I feel like we just flooded those seeds.
I didn't flood them, the weather did.
Well, what you got there?
Our first piece of fan mail from a 0 age 27 of Toronto.
We know Zara.
No, we don't.
She's a complete random stranger.
Yeah, she's a stranger who decided to send us a postcard.
What is she?
And she wanted to be shouted out on our mail day segment, so here you go, Zara. made it to our fridge. And that's a good place to wrap up our week. We'll see you next time. Bye!